Do you want to know how you can sign up or register to Bwin? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Bwin. Go to the Google search bar and search for Bwin Register. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official register portal of Bwin. What you need to do now is select your country of residence, write down your email address, and then click continue. So go ahead and do this and click continue. Or else, if the email address is used, go ahead and choose another email address, click continue, and then it will lead you to another page where you can set up your password. So go ahead and write down your password. Make sure that it is correct and secure. Check your password, and if this tick marks appear, you are safe. So go ahead and click next. Now write down your name after you select your gender, and then you can click next. The next step is to write down the date of birth. So go ahead and write down your date of birth and then click next again. What you need to do now is select your country code and then write down your phone number in this box over here. So go ahead and choose your phone number. So make sure that you write your phone number correctly. Let's suppose this is my phone number. I'm going to type it in this box. So you can search your area code. So type your address over here. Now you can click next. After that, you can enable these options of notifications, or else you can just skip it by clicking next. And you must click one of them. So go ahead and select your currency, and then finally it's the time to create your account. So go ahead and click create my account. So that's it, guys. That's how you create your account on Bwin. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.